This is Charlie's Auto Repair, and we're going to show another radiator that has a black seal in it, which is used to repair a head gasket when it's blown. So we're going to break this open here, like we did this one. We'll take the ends off, and then we can see that the chemical is actually blocking the passageway of the coolant rather than fixing the problem. So I'm going to cut the video off and bring it back on when these two parts have been removed. Okie doke. This is how we do it. We just take the pressure off the tabs. These are some of the chemicals used to repair a blown head gasket. They do work when done properly and not in excess. This video being shown is when they're not properly used, and then you also see one where it was properly done and it didn't damage the radiator. Thank you. This is a radiator with a black seal, and as you can see daylight from side to side. There's no blockage in this particular radiator. So, and then this other one here has a stop leak, and there is no daylight in between the tubes. There is some. On some of them there is, but nothing like it should be. This is completely clogged up. So there's no daylight on this at all. And this is the stuff that gets everywhere into the motor. And it clogs everything up. So it's not an ideal repair. I have seen it when it's done correctly and it's not overused, where it has worked. But I've never really opened one up that has worked to see if this is the way it looks anyway. So anyway, this is not good.